Welcome back to Waymaker's Meadows. One thing we've added this year is bottle lambs. Michelle is taking on bottle lambs, and we found this is a way to really learn our sheep herd and what to look for is raising bottle lambs. They'll show you everything coming and going of what to look for and what to be on the lookout for as far as health and awareness of what's going on. One thing we have found is the cold variables a lot with bottle lambs. So we have took one of our wood sheds and turned it into a bottle lamb barn that we'll have uses for later. But for right now, it's a warm place out of the wind with heat lamps that really helps the health of the bottle lambs. With heat lamps set up on one side of the small barn, the lambs can get warm, but if they get too warm, they can go to the other side. Bottle lambs must be fed multiple times a day. Michelle has taken this task on to raise the bottle lambs as we continue to learn from this experience and grow into understanding their health and their needs as they mature. Thanks for checking out our video this week on our bottle lambs. There'll be more to come and more information to follow. Again, click subscribe.